Welcome to your 5-minute Tabata. This is the quick little workout that is gonna pack a lot of punch. So I hope you're ready. We are going to push ourselves to the limit. This is a speed Tabata. We're gonna be going fast. We're gonna be sprinting for 20 seconds. Then we'll rest for 10 and we'll do it again until we finished our whole Tabata workout. So get ready. Gear it up. Get some road underneath of you. Shoulders are down. Chest is lifted. On your marks, get set, go. Go. Dig. Breathe. Find your pace and hold it. No backing off. Till right now, back it off. We're gonna go again. Oh yes, we are. Come on. On your mark. Get set, go. Go. Don't give up. Push it. Push it. Come on. Now you can back it off. Again, that was 2 down. We still have 6 to go. On your marks. Get set. Go. Find that pace. Push. Try not to let that pace slow down as we go along. I want you to push through and maintain that speed you had on the very first one. Back it off. Breathe. You don't get long, so don't get comfy. Here we go again. Go. Go. Come on, stay with me. Pedal. Work hard. Hold. Back it off. We're getting there. We are getting there. Almost halfway through. Ready, set, go. That one came up quick. Come on. Yes, you can. Even if you're tired, you can do it. Pull through. Pull through. Back it off. Again. Again, dig in deep. Find it. Pull it out. Go. Go. Don't you let up. Keep going. Not much left. Back it off. 2 more. Can you gear it up a touch? Make it a little harder. Try to maintain. On your mark, get set. Go. Breathe. Focus. Ride. Back it off. 1 more time. Make it your best. Maybe you can take it a little faster. Add a little more gear, whatever you do. Go! Keep pushing. Keep pushing. Back it off. We did it. We packed a lot of punch in a short amount of time. I hope you excelled. I hope you pushed yourself, and I really hope you didn't let yourself off easy. If you still want some more, check out one of my workouts. Maybe a 10-minute one, just a little bit shorter, or a nice 30-minute one. Keep you going. whatever you choose to do. Have a great ride, and I'll see you on here again soon.